Hey guys, Quantum here, and today we are once again playing some, but we are going to have a special guest here. We are actually going to have another YouTuber with us. We are going to have Tomcat Inc. So let's hop in on the call and join him. I'll see if he's done. Okay, he's still doing his intro, I think. You ready? No answer. Okay, I think
I'm ready. Let's get this started.
Okay, he's ready. Let's do this. Okay,
All right, let's play some Among Us.
I'll find a game. Okay, that game's full. All the games are full. 1 sec.
I'm just gonna create. I'll just create one.
Okay.
My Among Us is working.
Okay, guys. So yes, Tomcat Inc. He is another YouTuber. I'll leave his link down below in the description so you can check him out.
Yeah, I'll leave Quantum's as well. Yeah, we were on Knights of Ren together.
Yeah, we do have a channel called Knights of Ren.
Which we're trying to get done.
Yeah, but I feel like I always have something to do, but go check that out.
Yeah, we'll also link that. So, online.
Here, I'm just gonna see if I can find a game. Oh, I found one.
Alright, what's the code?
KEIUUF.
What's your username?
T.
Oh, nice. I'm just Tomcat.
Are you in yet? Oh, I see you. Let's go, guys. We are in a game with him. So basically, we're just gonna mute when we're doing the play, actually in the game. But for emergency meetings and dead body reports, we can just talk about who we think it is. So yeah.
Yeah. I do not like this costume. Yeah. All right, let's go.
Okay, I think they better start. Okay, I don't know why they're not starting quite yet.
Yeah, that's weird. I'm trying to find a good one. This is my 4th time playing Among Us. I haven't really played much. So you mostly do Among Us on your channel, right?
Yeah, that's kind of my main thing. I mean, I've started doing other games, but Among Us is kind of going to be my main thing, I think. Okay, what is this? What is this conversation they're having in the chat? I really don't know. What?
Cringe.
What is this? Nice. Okay, just start.
Start.
Okay, if Orange is the owner of this lobby, I'm just gonna die. Because he's never gonna start it. Crispy. I live in a doghouse. Oh, that's kind of depressing.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Alright, let's give it 5 minutes and then I'm leaving the match.
No, I'm leaving. I'm joining back in. I'm back in. I'm back in. Just start.
We have 8 out of 10 people. He might just be.
I'm 350 and I also eat Doze and Harry. Okay.
Oh, I don't want to see that.
Yeah, we're leaving this lobby. Bye. I'm gonna find a better game.
Oh my gosh.
What was that game? Okay, XKKJMF.
That was crazy.
That was so weird. Are you joining?
Could not find the game. What's the code again?
XKKJMF. Oh, the game just was filled. Okay, well.
Leave that one.
Oh, well, that game's full too.
Do you want me to just create one?
Okay, this one's quick. Oh, that game's full. Okay. No, creating takes a bit too long.
All right. Wait until you find one. I'll like speed type.
Every game is full. I don't get it. Okay, AGSSUF. AGSSUF.
Alright, I just joined.
You know, let's just start a game because we're already kind of far into this. Okay. What is this?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're starting.
Okay, mute.
What's going on? Alright, we're muting.
Okay, guys, so are we going to be imposter? No, we are still crewmate. Okay. I wonder if Tom is going to be imposter because, I don't know. I feel like he is. What is Tom doing? Bro, what is this? Okay. Oh, and I died. Was it Tom? It was Tom, wasn't it? What did I say? I knew it. Okay, well, Tom's the imposter. Purple, run, Purple, run, Purple. Well, Purple's dead meat. Tom, you're so sus. Oh, no. Okay, I really hope Tom wins, though, at the same time. Just kill someone. Okay, he's so sus. Oh! Oh. He just got... Oh, never mind. That was a ghost. I thought someone was... Wait, is that a ghost? Princess, why aren't you reporting it? I'm so confused. Okay, what were you doing?
Alright,
Why did you...
What do you mean, what was I doing?
You killed me.
I know, I'm the imposter.
Yes, but like, Purple was just... I was so confused there. Purple sus. Yep, vote Purple out and you'll win. I think you're gonna somehow pull off this win. I don't even know how.
I have no clue what I'm doing.
Okay, vote Perp. Okay, vote. Vote. Oh my gosh, you won!
Are you kidding?
Yes, you actually won.
Alright, let's go!
Okay, GG's.
One imposter remains. Alright, let's go.
Okay, play again.
I won!
How did you win that? That was like, I didn't even understand what was happening in that game.
Yeah, Princess was just standing there.
I didn't report anything. Okay,
that's super weird. Alright, play again.
6 people is pretty fun. Okay, we're starting. Mute. Okay, guys, so are we gonna be the imposter? Oh, well, that guy just left. We're crewmate again. Okay. I feel like it's Tom again because, okay, Tom, don't kill me, okay? It's okay. You don't have to. Oh, let's go. Look at that. All straight in a row. Okay, it's nice. Who was it? It was Princess. I always die. Okay, well, Princess self-reported. I died again.
Yeah, I don't know who it is. McDaddy 3 is what I'm doing.
Where? Purple killed in front of me. Who do you think it is?
I think it's purple.
Okay, purple. I was in weapons.
Alright, voting begins. Vote purple.
Well, I'm dead, so I can't vote.
Oh, yeah.
Did you vote purple?
Yeah, I voted purple.
It was purple.
It was?
Yeah. Okay, now purple just needs to vote. Purple is so weird. Remember orange?
I live in a doghouse.
I'm pretty sure he actually owned the thing.
Yeah, I think he was the leader.
Because there's... that was so weird.
So, I live in a doghouse.
Like, okay, really cool. Okay,
I think perp glitched. Okay. Princess,
she's so weird. Okay. Oh, Princess left.
Princess left the game. Okay.
It should end now. Okay, this is such a glitched lobby.
I wonder if someone like hacked it or something.
Okay, let's leave this lobby.
Yeah. Actually, no, voting ends in 6 seconds.
Yeah, but that's just a glitched lobby.
Alright, it's showing.
Okay, I'll find a game.
Princess was the imposter.
Yep. Okay, that's just a weird lobby. What's going on in the background there?
Yeah. For those of you that listen to the Nintendo Fancast, this is the fam.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Have you found?
Yes, NCXHFF. Are you in?
Could not find the game you're looking for. What is it
Oh,
again?
NCXHFF. Speed type. No, it started.
The game you tried to join already started.
Okay, I'll find a good one. Okay, CDBUFF.
What's with all the FFs today?
I don't know. That's just how it either ends with a F or a Q. Okay, you're in. You know, let's just start with 4. Who cares? Yeah.
Who's the host?
I don't know.
Among Us is such a weird game, but it's gonna win Mobile Game of the Year.
It is. It is, definitely.
It was nominated,
Okay, it's
today.
starting.
Yeah, Game Awards are on Thursday, so we'll know then. Alright. Oh, we have to mute.
Okay, guys, we're playing again. So boring. So boring. I feel like now it could be Tom. Tom's not very good because he's new, so I feel like I could catch him out too, so. Okay, Tom's gonna kill and I'm gonna catch him. I can just feel it, guys, so. Okay, dead body.
Already a dead body, wow.
I feel like that might be a self-report. Self. Yeah, I think it's a self, so I think it'd probably be dark green.
Dark green, okay.
Don't vote yet. I want to see what he has to say.
I don't think he's not.
Oh, yeah, vote dark green. He's super weird.
How do you know?
Well,
Wait, what?
it was way too quick. It had to be a self. Okay, Red, you good? Are you gonna vote?
Gosh, come on, vote. All right.
Okay. So was it? If it's not dark green, don't blame me. Was it? Oh, it wasn't. So it's one of us. Mute. Okay, guys. Now I definitely think, crap. It's Tom. It's so Tom. It's Tom again. I just can feel it. It's Tom. Okay, there's a reactor. No, don't. He's right. Frick. Okay, it's red then. It's definitely red. What are you doing? Fix react. Okay, what is Tom doing? We're gonna lose. Fix reactor. Yep, we lost because Tom doesn't know how to play.
How?
Oh, I was red. We needed to fix reactor.
I didn't know how to do that.
Oh, okay.
All right, play again. This lobby isn't too bad.
Yeah, this lobby's pretty good. Okay, it's starting. Mute. Okay, guys, finally be imposter for once in my life. Are we gonna be imposter? Roommate again. Okay, now. Who am I sussing? I guess. I don't know. I don't think it's Tom, but we just started the game, so I really have no proof. Did Tom just do medbay? Tom has no idea what he's doing. It's kind of entertaining, honestly. Okay. Isn't that it? Okay. I feel like it's you.
Seriously?
I don't know. Who reported it? I don't know who it was. Okay. Let's just go where. Perp. Why do you think it's perp?
I don't know.
To be honest, I kind of think it's perp too.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna vote. Okay. Oh, someone chatted. Oh, yeah, it was you. Yeah, it's purple.
Okay, vote purple. It's not him, it's you. Just kidding. Oh.
People are voting me.
Well, it's a tie. That's okay. Okay, I feel like it's Tom. Now that
Who voted me?
I didn't.
Weird.
Wait, I don't understand how you do this test. Do you go A1?
Yeah, that's weird.
C2. C1. Oh, I don't know. I'm really confused. Okay, I feel like it's either perp
Yeah,
or dark
I think
green.
it's purple.
I don't know why he's not muting. Oh, I know. It was perp. I died.
You died?
Yeah.
You can't tell me.
Yeah, I can't. We're the only ones who have said anything in this lobby.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I really hope he votes purple out because I really want to win
I'm
this
gonna
game.
immediately tell you that it wasn't me.
I know. I'm dead and it wasn't you.
I'm gonna vote against Rick.
Oh, it was purple.
Why do people keep voting me off? Yeah, I was voted off.
Okay.
It's purple.
Yeah, it was. Okay. This is the game we actually win. Let's go. I actually want to be imposter. Okay, mute.
Alright.
Okay, guys, can we finally get imposter? I think it's... Oh my gosh. Crewmate again. Okay. So boring. Oh, straight in a row. Let's go. Oh, it was purple. I died.
It's dark.
It's dark?
Green.
Guys, it's not dark green. That's not good.
Man, I wish I would have been paying more attention. I was right there when you got. Okay. Did you see like GameKit came out with an Among Us?
Yeah, I played it.
What class did you play it in?
My Spanish class.
Same. Which teacher do you have?
Not gonna say.
Oh yeah. Here.
Oh, they're already voting. Vote.
I voted.
Oh, why did okay, this is such a weird lobby. I'm leaving.
Why do they keep voting me out?
I don't know. They just want to for some reason. Okay, WRN. Oh, well, that's full.
Wait, who was it?
It was purple.
WRN.
No, it's not that one. ETNIKF. No one's joining. Oh, someone joined. Dream! It's the actual Dream, guys. Just kidding.
Seriously?
No, it's not. It's not. I could put my name as Dream if I wanted to. You know what?
That's why I'm like, people are just like, I got in a match with Ninja.
Yeah, I know.
Literally anyone can put their name as Ninja.
Okay, this lobby's sketch. Let's leave it. I don't understand. Every game I try and join is full.
Alright.
Okay, no, that one's weird. Okay,
What do you think?
DZOCZF.
I don't see you in here.
No, it's DZOC.
Oh, I said DSO.
Yeah, it's DZOCZF.
DZO. What's after DZO?
CZF.
Alright, now I see you. Yes.
Everyone left. There was like 6 people in this lobby.
You guys are gonna be like blue. I like light blue.
Just start with 4. Is there even 4 though? Oh, what? There's 3. Why can I not just find a good lobby?
Okay,
Okay.
we're starting with 3 votes.
Guys, wait, this
is
level
special.
is so glitched. I still managed to get crewmate.
Alright, mute.
Oh my gosh, I'm still crewmate, guys. I don't understand. Tom has been imposter once. But yeah, other than that, I'm just not having my best imposter luck. Oh, and by the way, guys, at 30 subs, I will be doing an age reveal, so you guys will get to know my age. And then after that, at 40 subs, I'll probably do like a, maybe name reveal, just like my first name. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So get me to 30 subs, and maybe even get me to 40. So yeah. Wait, how am I already done? Oh, comms are sabotaged. We need to fix that. Oh, I am so slow. I do not like that. Okay. I feel like Tom's dead because I haven't seen him like all game. Or it could be Tom and he's just hiding in the vents or something. Okay, there's Tom. Oh, it was Tom. What? Okay. That's frustrating. Oh, man, I knew it was Tom. I feel like I just haven't seen him all game. So, it was obviously him. Okay, well, that sucks. GG's.
I just won.
I know.
Nice. I was the imposter, FYI.
Yeah, you killed me. I know you're the imposter. Okay, let's start at 4. Start at 4. Yeah, I think this better be our last round, and then we'll end the video. So yeah, guys.
Well, that was fun. We should do this again sometime.
Yeah, this was really fun.
Alright. Who's newbie? Oh, what's going on in chat? Oh, you said start. I'm gonna back you up there.
Oh, they're starting. Okay, mute. Guys, can we finally be imposter last round? That would just be the best thing ever, guys. Well, we're met again. Okay. Okay, I feel like it's Tom. Because, I don't know. Tom's been imposter twice now. Okay, ooh, I know a way to get someone to fess up about being an imposter. Ooh, I think I can figure out if Tom's in or not. Okay. Okay, there's no... Oh, there is a sabotage. Okay, then I don't think it's Tom, because I don't know even if he knows how to sabotage. So, Okay, let's go fix that. Okay, I got one. Oh, we're gonna lose to this. Was it Tom? If it was Tom, GG's. Oh, it was JK Gaming.
Red.
Yeah, it was red. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe and help me get to 30 subscribers. Okay, bye.